I go to school every day.
I go to school every day.
I went to school yesterday.
I went to school yesterday.
I eat bread every day.
I eat bread every day.
I ate bread yesterday.
I ate bread yesterday.
I read a book every day.
I read a book every day.
I read a book yesterday.
I read a book yesterday.
She drinks tea every week.
She drinks tea every week.
She drank tea last week.
She drank tea last week.
She plays tennis every week.
She plays tennis every week.
She played tennis last week.
She played tennis last week.
She washes clothes every week.
She washes clothes every week.
She washed clothes last week.
She washed clothes last week.
I watch TV every day.
I watch TV every day.
I watched TV yesterday.
I watched TV yesterday.
She writes an email every week.
She writes an email every week.
She wrote an email last week.
She wrote an email last week.
I sleep well every day.
I sleep well every day.
I slept well yesterday.
I slept well yesterday.
I cook dinner every day.
I cook dinner every day.
I cooked dinner yesterday.
I cooked dinner yesterday.
I work here every day.
I work here every day.
I worked here yesterday.
I worked here yesterday.
I help my neighbor every day.
I help my neighbor every day.
I helped my neighbor yesterday.
I helped my neighbor yesterday.
She sells books every week.
She sells books every week.
She sold books last week.
She sold books last week.
She buys bread every week.
She buys bread every week.
She bought bread last week.
She bought bread last week.
I take a bus every day.
I take a bus every day.
I took a bus yesterday.
I took a bus yesterday.
I open the door every day.
I open the door every day.
I opened the door yesterday.
I opened the door yesterday.
I close the window every day.
I close the window every day.
I closed the window yesterday.
I closed the window yesterday.
I send a letter every day.
I send a letter every day.
I sent a letter yesterday.
I sent a letter yesterday.
I learn new words every day.
I learn new words every day.
I learned new words yesterday.
I learned new words yesterday.
I call my friend every day.
I call my friend every day.
I called my friend yesterday.
I called my friend yesterday.
I show my work every day.
I show my work every day.
I showed my work yesterday.
I showed my work yesterday.
I build a table every day.
I build a table every day.
I built a table yesterday.
I built a table yesterday.
She runs fast every week.
She runs fast every week.
She ran fast last week.
She ran fast last week.
I dance here every day.
I dance here every day.
I danced here yesterday.
I danced here yesterday.
I sing songs every day.
I sing songs every day.
I sang songs yesterday.
I sang songs yesterday.
I hear music every day.
I hear music every day.
I heard music yesterday.
I heard music yesterday.
I think about it every day.
I think about it every day.
I thought about it yesterday.
I thought about it yesterday.
I forget names every day.
I forget names every day.
I forgot names yesterday.
I forgot names yesterday.
I travel every day.
I travel every day.
I traveled yesterday.
I traveled yesterday.
I paint a picture every day.
I paint a picture every day.
I painted a picture yesterday.
I painted a picture yesterday.
I bring a bag every day.
I bring a bag every day.
I brought a bag yesterday.
I brought a bag yesterday.
I carry a box every day.
I carry a box every day.
I carried a box yesterday.
I carried a box yesterday.
I fix the car every day.
I fix the car every day.
I fixed the car yesterday.
I fixed the car yesterday.
I smell flowers every day.
I smell flowers every day.
I smelled flowers yesterday.
I smelled flowers yesterday.
I swim every day.
I swim every day.
I swam yesterday.
I swam yesterday.
I leave the house every day.
I leave the house every day.
I left the house yesterday.
I left the house yesterday.
I feed the cat every day.
I feed the cat every day.
I fed the cat yesterday.
I fed the cat yesterday.
I wait here every day.
I wait here every day.
I waited here yesterday.
I waited here yesterday.